Hello everyone, my name is Wouter and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Lanced. And this video is part of our How to Use Lanced series. And today I'm going to show you how you can set up an account on Lanced. So basically we start at the homepage, and if you want to create a new account, you just click for creatives. All right, so then you just get prompted to the first sign up page. Basically, you just create your email. Let's say I'm using a test email for now and your password. And then we sign up. Now you're then brought to this other page where you have to go and fill out some more details. I will fill this up right now. All right, so I just filled out all the details and then you just click continue. Now you can decide to upload a banner, to write down your biography, to put in your website, or you can just go and click next and just submit. All right, so then you find yourself here inside your own Lanced dashboard. Now, if you want to edit any of these things that you just saw, you just click over here in the left side panel, edit. All right, and this is where you can edit and fill out all more details and, for example, put more, a banner image. We have a short bio. This is basically like 2 sentences, like very shortly saying what you are, and your full bio. So that will be on a different page where you can have your entire biography. Okay, so I have now filled out more of these details. So you can see here, this is my short bio, this is my long bio. You can even upload your CV, and this is how it will look like on your public profile. Basically, you have your media, you have your different portfolios. Now, this is your little short bio, and here about is your big lengthy bio. So that's basically how you can kind of sort all of it out. So yeah, in the next video, I'll show you how you can upload media, and then there's other videos how you can create a portfolio, and so on and so on. And yeah, that was it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you at the next video.